Hello everyone, in today's video, we're going to talk about how to achieve financial freedom. Financial freedom is the ability to have enough money to meet your basic needs and have the ability to make choices in life without being constrained by financial worries. The path to financial freedom is different for everyone, but there are certain steps that anyone can take to achieve it. The first step in achieving financial freedom is to create a budget and stick to it. A budget is a plan that outlines how you will spend your money each month. It should include all of your income and expenses, including bills, savings, and debt repayment. By creating a budget and sticking to it, you will be able to see where your money is going and make adjustments as needed. The next step is to pay off debt. Debt can be a major obstacle to achieving financial freedom. High-interest credit card debt can be particularly damaging, as the interest charges can quickly add up. To pay off debt, create a plan to pay off the highest interest debt first, while continuing to make minimum payments on all other debts. Step 3. Build an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a savings account set aside for unexpected expenses, such as a medical emergency or job loss. Having an emergency fund can provide peace of mind and reduce financial stress in case of an unexpected event. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an emergency fund. Step 4. Invest for the future. Investing is a key component of achieving financial freedom. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Step 5. Consider passive income streams. Passive income is income that is earned with little or no effort on your part, such as rental income or income from investments. Step 6. Educate yourself about finance. Financial literacy is key to achieving financial freedom. Take the time to educate yourself about personal finance, budgeting, investing, and other financial topics. There are many resources available, including books, websites, and online courses. Step 7. Seek professional advice. Sometimes it can be helpful to seek advice from a financial professional. A financial advisor can help you create a comprehensive financial plan and provide guidance on investing, retirement planning, and other financial matters. In conclusion, achieving financial freedom is a journey that requires planning, discipline, and a willingness to make sacrifices. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can take control of your finances and set yourself on the path to financial freedom. Remember that building wealth takes time and patience, but with persistence and hard work, you can achieve your financial goals. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to leave your comments and suggestions below.